This is what the future of modern combat actually looks like. It isn't just about soldiers in trenches anymore. It is strictly a war of robots, from destroying targets to delivering crucial ammunition. Automation has taken over the battlefield, and for the soldiers on the ground, adapting to this new reality isn't optional. It's a matter of survival. In the harsh conditions of 2024 and 2025, the rise of enemy FPV drones made traditional logistics deadly. Driving a standard vehicle to the front lines became nearly impossible. To solve this, units like the Azov Brigade had to scale up fast, moving away from manned vehicles and turning to unmanned ground vehicles, or UGVs. To keep supply lines open without risking human lives. This footage takes us inside their workshop, where the steel couriers are born. The team here includes former IT specialists who are now managing complex logistics and repairs. They modify these ground drones, known as Targuns, adding custom cargo baskets and upgrading radio systems. The goal is simple. Maximize remote control range so the operator stays safe while the robot takes the risk. On the Donetsk front, these robotic mules are a lifeline. A typical day involves 2 to 5 deliveries, hauling ammunition, food, and heavy generators that soldiers would otherwise have to carry on their backs. Operations are a coordinated effort. An aerial pilot provides a bird's-eye view, guiding the ground driver who steers the drone via a screen. Navigating craters and debris to reach the zero line. But these machines aren't invincible. They often break down or get hit by enemy drones. Instead of abandoning them, the unit launches robotic rescue missions. You can see here how one functional drone is used to tow a disabled one to safety. Even when a drone flips over or gets dragged through a ditch, they manage to recover it. In one instance, a drone damaged by an airstrike was retrieved and fixed for less than $7, ready to fight another day.
Туда-сюда просто пожалуйста. Возьми, заедь. Красавчик! Вау!
Ну це адреналін, адреналін.
It's a constant game of cat and mouse. Operators use the drone's speed to physically dodge incoming attacks, turning logistics into a high-stakes adrenaline rush. Ultimately, the biggest shortage isn't technology, it's people. By letting these robots take the hits, the Azov Brigade ensures that victory doesn't come at the cost of their soldiers' lives.